In these headphones there are magnets that can fit in this Victorinox can opener. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's so small. Oh, look how small. Look how small it is. That's the headphone driver, and I think I'll use the pin to get this one out. That's the coil, voice coil. And the actual magnet, you can tell it's here. What we are interested in is this thing here. You don't need to buy these magnets somewhere. They are already next to you, most probably. The magnet is here. This one is the magnet, and I will take it out now. Okay, let's melt the glue a little bit. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, and look what's there. Ah, it's a little bit broken, or it's glue. I don't know. I think it's just glue. So this is a very tiny neodymium magnet. Very powerful and small at the same time. Yeah, some of this might rust, so it's good to cover it with something. So watch this trick now. This is the best part. can opener, neodymium magnet, it just sits there. If you have the parcel hook, this will fit in the parcel hook, but if you don't have the parcel hook, it fits in the can opener. You could even keep it here. Can't get out. It doesn't get out from there, and when you need it, it's right there, available. Where is it? Here. You can also keep it on this ring, a little tiny magnet. Magnetic Swiss Army Knife. If you keep the case on, it's a little bit bigger, but it also protects the magnet better. And it will fit in the can opener much better. Perfect fit. Two magnets. One is here. Two magnets. One magnet and the second magnet. Nice way to store it behind the screwdriver, so it's safe there. I think it's pretty good. Two magnets in one Victorinox Swiss Army knife from a pair of old earplugs, headphones.